What's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we're kind of in a different setting because I actually moved. Room tour will be coming soon. So I apologize for my background. I know it's not the most aesthetically pleasing, but today we're going to be doing a favorites video. I haven't done a favorites video in I don't even know how long, and I want to talk about my weight loss favorites plus a few beauty things because I still love makeup and I feel like I've really kind of taken makeup completely out of my channel, but I want to bring it back a little bit. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my weight loss favorites. So I have some foods here and then my beauty favorites as well. So my first favorite, I'm going to start off with beauty and then go on to weight loss just so you guys know, is kind of, this is what prompted me to kind of make this video because I have been obsessed. It's the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa. It's so good, you guys. This is the box for it, and I have the pink one, and they kindly sent this to me, and I actually have a 70% off coupon code. I'll leave it here. It's tinaminasyan, and I'll leave it on the screen somewhere as well as down below where you guys can buy it. It's basically a skin like brush, and it has, this is how it comes. It has 2 speeds, you guys. I'm showing you guys how I use it. It has changed my skin completely, and I've been using it for about a week and a half, so I can't imagine what it's gonna do in the future. And even Zach uses it, and he uses this brush right here. It's the ultra exfoliating one, and it has completely taken away his blackheads. And for me personally, I feel like a lot of my bumps along my jawline are gone, and I thank this for it because I haven't changed anything in my skincare routine except for this. So don't forget, if you want one, I'll leave the link down below as well as my coupon code. By the way, this is not sponsored by Vanity Planet. I just really like it, and I have a coupon code for you guys. So I'm just gonna, oh, did I mention it's waterproof? I use it in the shower all the time. I want to talk about foundation now because I feel like I have been using the same foundation for years. It's the Maybelline Fit Me, and I really haven't changed it because it's my favorite of all time. But this foundation right over here, it is the Flower, oh my god, look at my nails, very pretty. It's the Flower Beauty a Light Illusion foundation, you guys. I can't, this is like the full coverage sister to the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy. I love it so much, and I have 2 colors here. I usually mix them. I don't know what the name is of the colors. Oh, tawny and nude. I mix these 2 together. It makes the perfect color for me. I love it so much. It's full coverage. It feels nice on the skin, and it still gives you that really nice luminous glow. If you like Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, you might like this. It's a little thicker, but if you like kind of shear it out with a nice like foundation brush, dupe alert. So I love Pixi. Pixi is always hooking it up, sending me the most amazing PR packages, and this last PR package I got from them was absolutely incredible. But there was one product that really stood out to me, and it's this right here. It is the Pixi Glowy Powder in the color Fetch, and it's from their Pixi, oh, From Head to Toe created this, and this is just the most beautiful, look at that, I hope it translates. It's so pretty. I put this all over my body like with a big brush, and it gives the most amazing bronzy, it has kind of like that pinkiness to it too, so it's like a natural bronzy tan glow. If you have a chance to pick this up, do not wait. I think it's limited edition, and it's in the color Fetch, like I said. So yeah, thanks a lot, Pixi. I freaking love this product. Last but not least, for beauty, I just wanted to show one lipstick. I know I don't have a lot of beauty favorites because I constantly use the same things, but if you guys want to know like what my favorites are, even if they are kind of older products, then just let me know. But this is kind of an older product that I have been loving. It is the Lime Crime Velveteen Lipstick, liquid lipstick in the color Lulu. I love Lime Crime liquid lipsticks. They have replaced Anastasia for me, and I know that's like a lot to say. I mean, Anastasia still makes my favorite colors. Like Stripped is like my favorite color of all time. But the Lime Crime liquid lipsticks are just so thin, and they apply so just like watery, I want to say, and it doesn't dry like cement. So that's why I really love the Lime Crime ones. But this color specifically, I'm wearing it today, perfect nude. It goes with everything. You guys always ask me what's on my lips. It's this. It's Lulu, and I usually top it off with Mademoiselle Gloss by Fenty Beauty. Alright, so I have a few food favorites, so bear with me. The first thing, oh, by the way, I want to say this. I'm not on keto. I know a lot of people think I'm on keto. I'm not. I don't like follow a specific meal plan, but I do obviously eat a lot of sugar-free products, so that's why a lot of people think I'm on keto. So if you are on keto, here's a really, really good thing. This is the Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, and I got this at Costco. I think I saw it at Sprouts as well. This is a sweetener. It has zero everything, but it has 4 grams of sugar, alcohol. It's made with erythritol, yeah, that's what it's made with, and monk fruit. It smells delicious. Like, it smells so good, and you use it just like you would regular sugar, so there is no like discrepancy in recipes, and it feels and sounds and looks exactly like sugar. So you can totally just put this in a like your sugar thing or whatever, and no one would ever notice. I really, really love this product, and I already baked with it as well, and it bakes perfectly. So if you're looking for a sugar replacement, then this is a really good option. So I want to give a quick shout out to Kodiak Cakes, and this is a favorite of mine because I literally can't stop eating them. I eat this probably around 3 times a week for breakfast, lunch, dinner, it doesn't matter. I love it so, so much, and I've used this in, I want to say, one of my what I eat in a days. It just tastes so good. It tastes like a pancake, but it has 14 grams of protein in it, and it's only 190 calories, and you can't go wrong with that. I have the big Costco size one because I make it for my parents, I make it for Zach. We all love eating these. They don't taste much different than an actual pancake, so especially if you put some maple syrup on it, you're good to go. Okay guys, 2 more things left. So I want to show you guys this pasta. Very noisy, please, ma'am. This is the yellow lentil pasta from Pasta Lenzi. Now, it doesn't have to be from this brand. I also like Pow. I use that in a recipe video. I'll link that down below. I made a like high protein lo mein. I really, really like using these lentil pastas because they have protein in them. And if you are on keto, I don't think you're gonna really like these because they are pretty high in carb. I mean, they still have 35 grams of carb per serving, but the protein makes up for it for me. And also, I believe in eating healthy carbs. Please don't hurt me, I'm sorry, but I think that the lentil pastas are probably the closest thing to actual pasta itself. I don't like the garbanzo bean, the chickpea ones. I don't like any of those, or the black bean. This one, if you want to try it like an alternative, I would go for the lentil pastas. And like I said, this is Pasta Lenzi. I got this at Ralph's. You could get it at any like Kroger, Stop and Stop. What? Alright guys, we have made it to the end, and I wanted to show you guys these cereals, and I posted this on my Instagram story a few weeks ago, and I love this cereal so, so much. It's the Magic Spoon fruity cereal. This is my favorite one, and I'm pretty much done with it. And then I have the frosted one as well. I have the chocolate one as well. I have all of them basically. And this has 12 grams of protein, 0 grams of sugar, and 6 grams of fat. So this is a keto approved breakfast cereal. It tastes delicious, it smells delicious, and Magic Spoon actually sent these to me, and I can't thank them enough because honestly, like, I feel like sometimes I just want like something to snack on. I'll put this in a Ziploc with no milk and just snack on these, and they're amazing. Alright guys, so that is it for my favorites video. I will leave the coupon code as well as the link to the Vanity Planet skin brush down below, and I think I'll just leave everything I mentioned down below so it could be easier for you guys. Thank you so, so much for watching this video. Please like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!